Way to a reasonable beginning for all. Aspen Emperor is being ridden along to go and look for the lead. Umbusi outside of that is going past them all and sets off to find the lead. Also going up handy, Dogmatism now goes round them all as they head down to the 1,000-metre mark. They're going a good gallop, and Dogmatism is going quickest and has found the lead and gets away to lead it by 2. Corniel now gone past horses up on the outside. Unsolicited now back in third. Umbusi off an alert start, relegated to fourth. They followed by Aspen Emperor. Skaki Fane is in behind. He's settling about 5 lengths off the lead. Dynasty Secret further back, and Great Carly keeps that one company the outside. They being followed then by Amanzi, who's back at the fence and about 7 or 8 lengths off this leader. Racing just in behind that on the outside, Gallus. They being followed by Terry Lister. Casa Brava as well back as they spin to the stretch in Tributes the Trailer. Homeward bound now, they settle for the run to the line. Dogmatism brought the field for home along the inside. Umbusi the first one to move in and challenge. Corniel is just outside of those. They followed by Aspen Emperor, is also starting to get into it. Skaki Fane is wider out in the track. It's Aspen Emperor who's now come forward to pick it up as they come down to the final 300. Aspen Emperor going on strongly down towards the inside. Dogmatism trying to stay with that one. Dynasty Secret from the back of the field, but Aspen Emperor is clear, and Aspen Emperor runs away to win it. Aspen Emperor comfortable winner, tight for second. Dogmatism may have just stayed on. Up on the outside, Dynasty Secret, and Umbusi was further back. Skaki Fane was in behind that, then came in Tribute and Amanzi.